Welcome to Destin Learning's Foundations of Cloud Computing program. This is Week 1, an introduction we call Why Cloud Skills Are Non-Negotiable Now. In this foundational chapter, you'll discover why cloud expertise is not just an advantage, but an absolute necessity in today's professional landscape, and how you can quickly build the skills that will transform your career. Welcome to Chapter 1. We'll begin by establishing the pervasive reality of cloud computing in today's business world, then explore how virtually every company has become a cloud company, and finally, we'll examine the significant career costs of lagging behind versus the immense benefits of proactively building cloud skills now. This understanding will provide a clear roadmap for your professional development. To kick things off, consider this compelling statistic: 94% of enterprises already run their workloads in the cloud. Platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud Platform are no longer emerging technologies, they are the core operating systems driving modern business. If your skills don't include cloud expertise, you're effectively operating on the periphery of where the most critical work is taking place. It's no exaggeration to say that every company is a cloud company. This phenomenon extends far beyond traditional tech firms, permeating every industry sector. In retail, for instance, major players like Target power their inventory and checkout systems on AWS. Healthcare organizations increasingly rely on Azure to manage patient records and diagnostic data. The finance industry leverages cloud-native pipelines for sophisticated, real-time fraud detection. Even new startups inherently build their entire infrastructure in the cloud from day one, avoiding on-premises hardware entirely. Furthermore, government agencies, including federal bodies, are now mandating cloud-first architectures. The bottom line is, your employer is almost certainly already investing in cloud technology and is actively seeking professionals who possess a strong understanding of this domain. There's a significant divide between the cost of falling behind and the career acceleration gained by building cloud skills now. Staying cloud blind can lead to stagnation. You might find yourself capped in roles that are shrinking, consistently skipped for promotions that demand infrastructure knowledge, and even locked out of exciting, high-growth areas like DevOps, machine learning, and data pipelines. Essentially, you'd be competing in a smaller, less dynamic candidate pool. In stark contrast, building cloud skills now can immediately qualify you for roles paying an additional $20,000 to $40,000 per year. You'll effortlessly speak the technical language your team uses, rapidly move into hands-on work with leading platforms like AWS, Azure, or GCP, and critically, you'll stand out in a job market where many candidates still only possess theoretical understanding. So, what can 7 days can do for you within this intensive program? On day 1, you'll gain a foundational understanding of why cloud technology matters so profoundly and where your unique skills can best fit within this expansive ecosystem. Day 2 is dedicated to revealing precisely what's inside your comprehensive learning path, giving you a clear roadmap. Days 3 through 5 dive deep into core AWS services, including EC2, S3, IAM, and VPC, all explained with unparalleled clarity. Finally, Days 6 and 7 are entirely dedicated to hands-on labs and rigorous exam-style practice, ensuring that the knowledge not only sticks but is truly actionable for real-world application. Let's summarize Chapter 1. First, remember that cloud is the default infrastructure across virtually every industry, making cloud skills absolutely essential. Second, recognize that skills gaps in cloud computing directly translate into tangible costs, impacting your salary potential and limiting career opportunities. The encouraging news is that AWS core services, and indeed cloud services in general, are entirely learnable when approached with the right structured program. And finally, just 7 focus days dedicated to this learning can dramatically shift your career trajectory, opening up new possibilities and accelerating your professional growth. Are you ready to start building today? Your essential cloud foundation is now just one resource away. This comprehensive series provides everything you need: in-depth explanations of AWS core services, practical hands-on labs, and real exam-style practice, all integrated within the Foundations of Cloud Computing book. It's specifically designed for you to work through at your own pace, mastering each concept systematically. Get the book on Amazon today and take the critical first step towards transforming your career in cloud computing.